TikTok videos move extremely fast in 2026, and editing style plays a huge role in whether people keep watching or scroll away. Fast cuts, captions, zoom effects, trending audio, and strong hooks are all important for successful TikTok content. First, open Adobe Premiere Pro and create a new project for your TikTok video. Now import your vertical footage, voiceovers, music, sound effects, and graphics into the project panel. For TikTok videos, use a vertical 9:16 sequence format. This is the standard size for mobile viewing. Drag your clips onto the timeline and organize them in the order you want the TikTok video to flow. One of the biggest TikTok editing techniques is cutting out silence, pauses, and slow sections to keep the pacing fast. And that's your full guide on how to edit TikTok videos in Premiere Pro in 2026. Hopefully now you have a clear understanding of how to create faster, more engaging, and more professional TikTok content using Premiere Pro.